Welcome back, everybody. It is time to winterize the camper. It's been a couple of decades since I was involved in this process with this particular beast. It looks like somebody's replaced this tank with one that drains up here, and I had it pitched that way to drain it, so tank's in backwards. That's lovely. We have my grandfather's plumber's nightmare to deal with. I have drained the tank. I'm going to have to do it again, obviously, because I didn't get it all. Drained the tank, so I thought. I drained the hot water tank. That was disgusting. If you look at that, pull those pins up. Want those closed now. Now, in theory, I've opened these faucets up. In theory, they should all drain out there, and there should be nothing in the lines. But I suspect there is. So we've got to navigate this mess. Gonna get the rest of the water out of here, and then over here we have to somehow hook up this tank to the pump and pump it all through. It looks to me like he's made a very tenuous connection in there that wiggles a bit more than I'd like. Looks to me like I hook onto this and then shut this valve off. You can see this or not. Let's try that again. Okay, so it looks like this line is going to be our antifreeze. I think I need to shut this off so that it sucks, because it apparently goes around. You can't see it with the seatbelt in the way, but looks like he made this connection up here for the purpose of getting antifreeze into the pump. So we're going to turn this off. That should isolate this tank. And shit. I put that up so you can see better. Yeah. Let's try that again. Maybe it'll stay up this time. Alright, now that we can see again, it looks like what I need to do is uncork this, which apparently I need a wrench. And then I found the adapter thingy in the toolbox. It looks like it's what I need to go into the bottle, which is, nobody can see anything. Goes into there, and it looks to me like maybe this comes off and then maybe that goes on. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking no, it doesn't. Oh crap. Thought I had it figured out. That side? No, that's definitely not the right size fitting. So what the hell was this? Besides expensive. Anyway, one way or another, we're going to get antifreeze in this thing today. Looks like there's a tag back there. I can get it without losing an arm again. Put that up there. Ugh. Okay. 1 1/4 inch fill hose at $2.20 a foot. Okay, on to the plumber's nightmare. Okay, so this comes out here and goes down into this bottom hose. This goes over here, comes down into this one. So first stop would be turn this off, I would imagine. Oh, the stuff that came out of this. Oh god. Horrid. Horrid. Oh, that's nasty. What did you do? Stuff. So that takes care of shutting the tank off, I hope. If we've done it right, this comes out here, goes over here, goes down, and into this fitting. So this should be all we need to do. It looks like the previous caretakers of this also decided that the water gauge, to let you know how much is in the tank, would be better served outside the tank, which makes no sense to me. Why wouldn't you put that back in? Alright, well, I think the game plan here is to uncork this, and it looks like I have enough. Nope. Maybe if I get the bottle in there, just shove that right in there instead of using this nonsense. It's so weird. I don't know why. I mean, this is, I think that's a kit they sell. But why would you? Obviously this piece right here, even if I take that cork out, the whole thing goes in there. It's a completely different size. I didn't see any adapters around. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing off. Good guessing game. Alright, that one looks like maybe that one. That one, there's probably water in here, which is why I put the towels down. Read frame. Oh, the stuff that came out of that water heater. Oh, God. Oh, that's nasty. Yeah, see? A little bit. Oh, there was pink crap in that, too. Terrible. Let's just slow this down for a second. Change towels. All right, now the goal here is to get this to suck on this. So don't think I'm going to be able to get it maybe at an angle. You just have to do it slow. Try not to spill anything. That would suck. Did this even go in there? Well, Grandpa, if you made this about 6 inches longer, you wouldn't need that hose. Alright, let's... Oh, small space. Big me, small space. Good grief, that hurt. Alright. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the furthest point, which I believe is here. We're going to turn the pump on. It's going to suck some of that up. Hopefully it's going to stop. And then we can open the tap. Check the leaks. Make sure I didn't mess anything up. Looks good. I mean, the filter's full of pink stuff, but I can clean that in the spring. So we're down about a quart. Let's go see how long it takes to get something out of here. Okay, we're still good. Still good. I forgot about the toilet, didn't I? Okay. There's your pink. Let's do the hot side. There's clear. Are we going to be able to do it with 1 gallon? Yeah, it looks like it. Well, still about a third down. That stuff stinks. You know, when you're in school and you turn the corner and you see the janitor and the pile of sand, and that smell just hits you right in the face. Yeah, that's what this smells like. Here comes the pink. And there's the pink. I'll spare you that one. I'm going to do that one next, and then I'll do this one. Oh, hold on. We're sucking air. I think we're good. It looks like the hose is at the bottom. Let me do the toilet and then we'll get back to the shower. 1 pink hose. Now this should be easy enough. It's right there. And it is right there. This one. It is. That was in the pipe already. There it is. We're done. And that took, yeah, this is about right, because when he was doing this one and I had a 32 foot. That was also a Tioka, 32 foot camper, and I could do my 32 foot with the bathroom in the back with 1 gallon. It took me just 1 gallon, and we used to have a contest, and I don't remember the outcome of the contest. I remember like, oh, I can do it in 1 gallon or less. Clearly he won. So the only thing we have to do now is get some more towels so I can pull that out without getting it all over the floor. And put that to the off position for the rest of the season. And see you in the spring. I do still need to get that water out. I'm going to put it in the driveway. No. It's counterintuitive because it has to be, this corner has to be low, but then it goes back here, so now this is stopping point, and then that way, so I don't understand the logic behind this obvious tank replacement. And then they went and dumped that pink shit in the brand new tank. I don't get it. I don't get the logic behind that. Yeah, I guess everybody does it their own way, but man, what a mess that made. I definitely got to get this line clean, because that will yeah, that'll freeze up in a heartbeat. Right, so we're done winterizing. Hope you enjoyed the show. If you did, throw me a bone, hit that subscribe button, watch another video if you would. Camper video, woodworking video, we're building a car. So, if you made it all the way to the end, could you throw a comment down there and, I don't know, put pickle juice as a comment. It'll let me know you made it this far. And anybody else that watched to be like, what the hell is he talking about? What are all these pickle juice comments? So, could be fun.